Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Located on Victoria's Mornington Peninsula, Mount Martha House by Victoria Merrett Architects is a contemporary coastal home designed to embrace nature, light, and the rhythms of family life. Taking cues from the robust forms and material palette of mid-century Australian beach houses, characterized by timber cladding, exposed rafters, and generous verandas, the design reinterprets these elements with clean lines, a pared-back palette and refined detailing. Designed for a family of 4, the brief called for a functional and cost-effective home that embraced a relaxed coastal lifestyle while accommodating the family's evolving needs. Key priorities included generous living spaces, ample storage, and a strong connection between indoors and out.